Let's go biking right now. Hola. So what I decided to do today is we're gonna just do a quick blast lap. Some riding up to Homer folks on the road. I'm gonna ride out, rip, and then maybe the other trail that takes me on to campus. That's gonna be it. So, boy, I'm a collegiate cross-country runner. I mean, not that competitive, but you know, I shouldn't be out of breath right now. But I'm trying to hammer up because it is cold. As I slowly traverse through the woods. First of all, I know my GoPro settings are a little whack. I need to work on them. I know. But look, it's a little dusty in the snow. I have the feeling that the packed surfaces will not be as dusted. I mean, as you can kind of see here, it's more like the leaves and stuff. Yeah, so Oneonta, November 14th. We have a little bit of snow going. We just finished cross country, so we're on the bike. And we're gonna do our best to ride some trails today. Because then it's chicken nugget day, so we have to go eat chicken nuggets. So, okay, almost to the top of this trail. I'm not gonna hike all the way up. I know my GoPro settings are poopy, but it's time to go ride again because we have like an hour or something left, and it's starting to sing. I don't want to record, so yeah, let's get going. All right, so we're at Homer, folks. It's getting dark and it's snowing, so what better time to go into the woods? I'm gonna try to figure out the GoPro, but it might not look the best. We're still making a video though because it's still riding. Okay. Let's get Jack Johnson out of here. Oh, welcome to, I guess these are the second laps, but the first episode of Laps After Class. Today, it's snowing, and it's amazing. I'm stoked to be here. I think we're only gonna get one lap of rip in. But we'll see. No big drops today. I hope the GoPro angle's alright. Extremely stoked to be here. We're at the water tanks. We're not doing anything special or crazy today. Gonna get some nice snow riding, some ASMR, maybe some skids. The butcher, we'll see how that runs. Yeah, so we're doing a run a rip, and we're gonna run back down to college. Nothing crazy, some nice snow ASMR. Hope my helmet doesn't fall off. Well, I have it strapped, but you know what I mean. Also hope I don't die. It's like oddly thawed in some places. And oddly not thawed in others. I need my derailleur fixed because I don't want to die. There's not enough snow to make it a fun landing this fall. She's mighty icy. Oh my god. My derailleur is woefully bent. I want to ride that trail, but I think I know what it is, and I don't want to have to go back uphill. That'll be the next volume or episode of After Class Laps. Actual ice. Do I take the tech line today? This isn't really the tech line, but Sam says the other line's the cheater line. And I see why. Because you actually have to be good to ride this. No rip drop. We'll take all tech lines. They ruined that jump by putting that jump there. Gotta be careful with this landing. Not weird as thought, just the weirdest thing. Huh. Kempalumpagus. It's been a long-ish week, and I am so happy that I rode my bike twice this week, and probably again tomorrow. Hopefully again tomorrow, and then probably Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday and Thursday. You know, just every day, really. Well, if I survive my run on Sunday. Also, I gotta do laundry. It's almost worse. That's it. It was sad to Mr. Oh, Mr. Plowchuck's running away. Mr. Plowchuck, come back from climbing for you. Oh, and there is their trail. I was texting and driving. It's basically one of those trails that goes uphill both ways, and it's like a chord that never resolves. So just take it for what it's worth. It gets me back down to campus less boring than that way or that way. I feel like you almost need clips to ride this trail. Like, as you're pedaling, going over chundry stuff. No, I love riding. I hate the uphill part of it. Just like a cardio trail, which isn't bad, but garbage. Litter bugs and deer. Deer having a war against the litter bugs. They're eating my brains. I'm not a litter bug. Oh my god, this video is just out of hand. It gets really cool over here. You guys saw this in my raw riding. You'll see. My focus has gone to the toilet. Okay. Time to go back down. Try not to wash out the front end. It's so skiddy. Look at that. We're back. I don't know what cool stuff to see here, but we can look.